Reporting live, the current state of the track. James, what's up? I wasn't going to film anything, and then I got quite a few things to do today, so I thought I'd film something. There's an event tomorrow at UMC. Really want to drive it. Got some homies coming down, lots of new friends. Gonna hang out regardless of getting my car figured out today. So the last time, you might remember, I was practicing doing feint entries. And I think what has happened is the clutch sleeve cylinder went bad. So here's the old one, fell apart, and the plunger, which is like this thing, is just inside the bell housing. So gotta drop the trans, but trying to look at it like an opportunity to inspect things, change the flex disc, look at stuff, look at the fork, the throwout bearing, and gonna hook up with Victor from Franco Racing today, and yeah, gonna finish doing my kind of annual fluid check stuff, drain the diff, drain the trans, do the fluid, and got a slew of other knick-knack things, but I don't think I'm gonna get to them today. Got these garagistic seat mounts and I don't know, some other things, LED, but anyhow, hopefully this isn't boring. Hopefully, yeah, whatever, I don't know. Funny thing about this thing popping out inside the bell housing, I was actually able to fish out all these parts with the magnet. I just can't get the plunger, but I got these two parts. All right, done draining diff fluid. Guess it looks slightly milky, but I think that's actually residue from what was in here before. It looked super clear when it was coming out. It's royal purple, and yeah, you can see it's like super clear. Yeah, I think this is from the solvent that was in there before when I did the oil change. So yeah, anyways, kind of hyped on that. Okay, change the diff fluid. Catch can, fully drained. Pretty sure this thing didn't even do anything except make funny noises and make me have dirty thoughts. So while the diff is draining, I thought I'd talk about something else, slash second drift chassis. Haven't talked about it much on the channel here, but here it is. It is a 2000, motor's a 2004. Chassis is a 2001 330 CI coupe, obviously. Yeah, the C does not stand for class. Okay, so a lot has happened. Haven't fixed my car. I'm with Josh. We're at the West Course, trying to turn a frown upside down. My car's not running, but I'm gonna get some clips with Josh.
H&M. Thank you. Everyone, I love it.
Damien, are you gonna go off track or are you gonna stay on track?
You know what? It's a crapshoot at this point.
Yeah, it really is, dude.
we just don't know what we're doing. There's a part of the track that should be on road, but it seems like it's off road. It's littered with rocks and dirt, so we'll probably go off track.
Probably. Yeah. No. Yeah, we'll probably go off track because I'm in here. I'm throwing off the balance. It's my fault.
There's no mud on your roof.
That's true.
You ready?
Yep.
Go.
Killing it.
time, fiber lane.
Yeah.
That was sick, dude.
That was super sick. Yeah, oh my God. Oh, dude.
Recorded on that shit.
Johnny,
yeah, that was sick. Those were my last tires.
They lasted half the day today.
Yes, dude.
They're so good.
Oh, dude.
Hey, did you go off?
No.
Not driving hard enough. I were just wet.
Dude, at the end of the day,
Okay, so this video went a little sideways. But yeah, I ended up working on this, didn't get my car fixed. But it's okay, I ended up having so much fun with friends. Thanks for watching the channel. Let's check out the bay. Thanks to this guy, we all had a lot of fun.